Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Settings and tapping General, then iPhone Storage so you can see the biggest space users. You want to backup first. Use iCloud or connect to a computer and create a Finder backup. Once backed up, offload unused apps to free space without losing data and enable iCloud Photos if you want photos stored in the cloud. Make sure to note any large app caches so you can target them in the next steps. You now tackle media and caches. Start by removing large videos and duplicates. Use Photos albums and search by size or date, and turn on Optimize iPhone Storage to keep originals in iCloud. For apps with bloated caches, uninstall and reinstall or use Offload app to remove app data while preserving settings. Next, open Messages and delete big attachments, and change Keep Messages to 30 days to prevent future buildup. These steps release the most cleanable storage quickly and safely. You finish by updating iOS, because system updates often optimize storage handling and can free space. Once updated, reboot and check the storage readout. If numbers look wrong, reset settings to refresh system caches without erasing your data. If storage remains incorrectly reported or critical space isn't freed, restore your device from the backup you made earlier. That rebuilds the file index and resolves phantom storage. If restore fails, contact Apple support for deeper diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.